In our education, we use the principle of project-based learning. What does it mean, project-based learning? We feel that if we give students a large project that they need to work on as a group, that we are able to copy the outside world as good as possible. So what we have done is for every semester create a big project that we have copied from the outside world. So it could be that we ask you to investigate a market, or we ask you to bring a new product to an existing market, or that we want you to manage a business abroad. All these real life cases are in a full semester where you have a lot of work to do as a group. So project-based learning means you have an objective to cover that by the end of the semester, and we have coaches for you available to guide you through that project. But it means that you are also the owner of the learning. You need to identify what it is that you need to know, show to us, the coaches, what it is that you do with that knowledge. In order to help you, we give you what we call feed-in modules. These are modules that you need that will bring you theoretical knowledge that you need to solve part of the project. But you need to read a lot around that and need to be able to also identify what it is that you need extra. So you gain the knowledge that you need and you are able to apply it directly in a real life case. And by working in a team, you will also learn not only solving the issue, but you also learn what it is to work in an international setting, because you are, of course, in that international classroom. And we put you actually in these groups. So it is not that you're able to say, hey, I'm friends with these people. No, we put you in a group of people and you have to work with them. This is the typical setting of one of our coaches. You see in the red shirt Rob van Dun, and in the black shirt it is Tia Mira, who has a question about the value proposition canvas. And based on the questions that she is asking, the coaches will guide her through the project. So what are then the core principles, core subjects of our program? Well, they are equal to, of course, the business departments that you'll find in any international business. So we will give you the basic knowledge that you need for marketing and sales, and finance and accounting, operations management, and organization and people. So that means that you have the basic knowledge of everything that has to do with the marketing and sales department. We will tell you everything you need to know about finance and accounting, so the bookkeeping, calculations that you need to make about new products, but also all the banking stuff and keeping the company alive. Operations management is, of course, everything that has to do with the supply chain, quality management in the organization, and making sure that the factories are able to produce what has been sold by the marketing and sales department. Organization and people is, of course, a department that is about the most valuable proposition of any organization, and that is, of course, the employees. And of course, it is about all the strategic decisions that need to be made. What is the strategy for the organization, and how are we able to adapt that to a new product or a new line or a new service? So by all these core subjects, you'll find in all the projects that we bring to you.